What is that? Is that
Yeah.
Some more things are happening. Security system's going in. We're hanging some pictures. Tint's getting on the front window.
Like I say, you can pull it back, it goes.
Matthew was on the hunt for a project car. You want to show the viewers?
Well, I wanted. Eric tried to talk me into an, so I looked at a couple.
You want to show the viewers what you got?
The project.
Oh, it's a project, all right. Put your guesses in the comments. What you think it is. And how long you think it's going to take him.
What does that even work? You just pause the video and guess, and then...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And also put next to your guess of what it is on how long it's going to take him to finish it. My guess is 3 years. If you don't sell it within the next year.
Nah. To be realistic, I'm saying 2, but I think
Yeah.
I'll do it faster than that. My buddy just stopped by earlier. I'm taking the car to his house this weekend. He's got a whole nother one.
Oh, yeah? I mean, you're going to need another one just to finish it.
Yeah.
No, you need like 2 parts cars. What is that? Is that an Acclaim?
Yeah.
It's a Plymouth Acclaim, isn't it?
Could be with Century.
Oh,
It's better with that, though.
my God. Dude.
Look at that, though. See that?
You could push it across the finish line.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it.
We're definitely going to have
Tow it.
overnight parts from Japan.
Dude. Still got 4 lugs. 1 lug missing.
Doesn't even have a stud.
Well, I guess it's good time to cage it, right?
Alright.
2JZ, no sh. Oh, no. No engine. I like your rebar steering rack.
I'm pissed that it's not even like through the other side.
That's what you're pissed about.
Yeah.
What year?
It's an 89.
89.
Notchback. Plan is LS, probably a single turbo TH400, 9-inch.
Okay.
That's it. Super basic.
Well, at least you already got skinnies.
I told Eric those tires are fine because they're never going to touch the ground. I don't want to make any like outlandish goals yet. I just want to.
Dude, that's
those high 8s, I'll be happy.
That's a project.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some overnight parts from UPR.
Yes, I do. I need to call UPR.
Screw Japan.
Bill needs to call UPR.
We need to call UPR. Man, I like your green door.
This is the color it's gonna be.
Oh man, that's so boring.
Calypso. It's my favorite.
Well, at least there's not an ounce of rust. I mean, there's some positives.
Yeah.
And how much did you pay for this $50 car?
It's undisclosed. Then everybody's gonna be making me money offers online, and it's gonna be annoying.
I will give you $50 if we can shoot it.
$50. I'm putting a different set of doors on it this weekend, just because they're complete, and this one's kind of bent. Bothers me.
Dude.
So we have parts. To be continued.
Matt's excited. We'll update you. Well, I'm happy for you, buddy. I'm happy you got yourself a project car. that's a serious valve spin too.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
That's badass.
It's definitely pretty awesome.
For some serious valve springs.
I might have to adjust this one a little more. It's starting to pull it back.
It smells cute. It smells good. Just saying. So is that the only thing he's changing or doing?
In the rear.
Well, yeah, besides the gears. We already know that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now we're cooking with gas. There we go.
That was running?
It's been running, but it just runs. How's it gonna stay running?
So you get the brakes all figured out already?
Yeah.
No.
Well, yeah, we ordered pads. They're $580.
Are you serious?
And they're obsolete. For front pads.
What? I mean, they are huge.
Yeah, well, they're just a off-brand or something.
Well, that stinks.
Doesn't even register.
Didn't do anything.
Trevor fucking actually hit me up. Remember him?
With the Mustang?
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
Mustang?
yeah.
Yeah.
He hit me up and was telling me, he messaged me and said, I guess you can, if it did hit the side of the windings, but I guess he said you can test the resistance.
Yeah, that's what I need to find out. We pulled an
Yeah, he
article
said
up.
he said you can use a megger to test for resistance to see if it's shorted or not. But I guess you don't own a megger. So simple netter.
What the?
And I don't know if he meant meter or what, but he said a simple netter just give to test for resistance between the stator and the field winding.
Yeah, that's the article we were looking at before. That we need
This
to
is what
find
Trevor's
again.
saying to me.
Sounds like French.
This dude sounds
Yeah.
like he knows what he's doing.
2,000 years later.
So we had to order a part.
Yeah, this old-looking part is the new part.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, as long as it works, who cares?
Yeah, I don't care either, but sure doesn't look very nice, does it?
Whatever.
It's like they did all the welds without cleaning the paint off. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Splatter marks and stuff.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's refurbished.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, I don't really care as long as it works.
Right. The behind-the-scenes things you don't see before races, or in
That's what
general.
Everybody wants to see, right?
I guess. Yeah, I don't think
If you really wanted to get them.
Hi. Hi.
Get on that car, man. As far as back.
What's up, buddy?
I thought it was going to be something obvious.
Big head. I assume you guys didn't fire it back up yet.
Not yet. We're close to bolting the motor
Turn
down.
on right now if you want.
Moment of truth.
So the mount was completely different? Did you guys weld that on there?
No, they
Yeah.
did.
No.
We didn't even grind the paint off, we just welded it.
It really came like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's real life.
All of us were like, what the
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't have high hopes.
and it was like brand new in the box?
brand new, new old stock probably.
Yeah, new
like
old-
sitting on
new
the
old
shelf for
refurbished
20
stock.
years. And
It's brand new, like 5 years old. Probably
Yeah.
been used.
Okay. Not
Man.
painted or nothing.
Nah. If it makes electric,
Did the inside look good?
yeah, it looked new, like new. It looked, you know.
What the
the varnish or whatever it is, like dark. I don't know.
Yeah,
Shall we?
I'm scared.
fellas.
Thank you. Couldn't have done it without Matt.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say me.
Probably.
Steve, I mean.
There you go. There you go.
We could do anything now, Steve.
Another small update. Getting everything moved in here. The the waiting room is now ready. Got the TV in there so people can be comfortable while they're waiting. We don't really have people wait very often, but when they do, now they have a TV and a nice little waiting room. T-shirts and stuff are going up. Looks good. Zeus hanging out in Fran's office. Zeus. People were asking about you.
Go get him, bud. Go ahead. Get him. Get him.
He's not interested in getting me. Good talk, Zeus.
Brand new game. You expect me to go home and just play Forza with you?
I want my
I gotta get off.
I want my Fox body back if you're not gonna play.
Well, you can't make me give it back to you. That's the best part.
getting the Fox body, it's me.
I won it and sold it to
Go
Eric.
buy a brand new game today, and they go, "Wait, you're not gonna be playing tonight." What'd you buy today, then, pussy?
Some Red Rum game.
Oh, he's a full-blown nerd now.
Yeah.
Eric, no football, likes video games now.
Yeah. He
what
disowned
the
the
fuck's going
Eagles. Some scumbag fan he is.
Steve, ooh, look, a flame.
That is me. How's Metallica?
Metallica, huh? The best concert I've ever been to in my life.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
So we're going back in.
Yep, I am.
Good. About time you did something. Jesus. Yeah, well, when you left yesterday at 2 o'clock for no reason. Yeah.
I mean, it's not like the rear was here, you know, so. Asshole.
Matt didn't leave till after 6, and he still got to the Metallica concert.
Yeah, Matt didn't also pay $240 for VIP passes.
So,
I would never.
did you get to do a meet and greet?
No, but I got to go in 2 hours before everybody else.
Oh, that's stupid.
Yeah, sure.
VIP's supposed to be like meet and greet.
Meet and greet VIP was $1,500 a ticket. Wasn't going to do that.
Peasant. Get those peasant tickets.
Ridiculous amount of money.
Yeah. It's also the same band that sued all their fans for downloading their music, so I don't really have much respect for them.
Okay, because the first time somebody takes some of your content, you bitch like a fucking baby.
No, I just file copyright. I don't sue them personally. That's what they did. Back in the Napster days, instead of adapting and their music, they just sued their fans.
It's old news.
I know it's old news, but it still happened.
We know, Steve, alright?
Well, some of the viewers might not know.
I'm sure they do.
Some of them might be too young to know what Napster is.
I didn't know.
You didn't know?
Nope.
Really?
Well, Matt doesn't know much of anything.
So race car getting loaded up. Getting loaded up for World Cup.
Shit, last time when I put it in gear, it fucking. Yeah, just put it in gear.
Tap it in.
I want to measure like the other stuff because I want to see how far out this is gonna be.
It's like, yeah, the center.
In case I do need to go back more. Because it's pretty far away from the wall now.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
I was hoping it wasn't going to stick out much past this pole was my goal. That way, huh? What are they, 12 feet?
16 feet.
Yeah.
Figure a little bit of a diagonal, they're probably going to be like 15 at the
Yeah.
end of the day. I think it just stays.
This is where the
Probably 20.
Correct, but that's where the ramps are going to go.
15. So at 16, we're right in front of the pole.
Yeah, we're ready to just crack just about.
Oh, so this is where the front.
Yeah, you're flush. You're
No, I
flush
know.
with the pole.
Yeah, because you got to think, because that thing's all the way forward.
So you're on the ring.
Well, they're all the way backwards a ton. I mean, in reality, I'll just move that one over to where it as close to B, and then we can. Someone get an airline ran over here? Yep. Actually, no, never mind. Let's measure it. Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You're fully.
You're not turning.
It turned last time I was on it.
Your wheels all the way. Wow.
Yeah.
Is this OSHA approved?
Suspenders on it.
Okay, good. Yeah.
That's not all it's for, though.
Two fingers.
Squawk some onboard here too.
Stick one of these ramps on and so we get an idea. We'll light enough and then we'll. I mean, yeah, pretty close to it.
Well, we're not getting in there after this is set.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to like let it
Give
out
an
and see
idea.
where it was gonna go. I mean, but yeah, the back. I mean, I don't unless it's like crooked or something. We don't need to really move it.
We know we're taking this apart again.
Here's your homework for tonight.
So we have never seen one.
Probably the AC.
I think it's good to have that. I would
It
just
is
think.
good to have. So we got to get air run to the dyno. Then we can start. We also got to hook up to what, two 220s?
Yeah, we're gonna put this wall right here.
Okay,
Mount the TV on all the air and receptacles.
that's a good idea.
Yeah, it should be nice.
So remove
It's a
this
little
wall
modular.
here. So instead of filming this side on the dyno, I'm gonna film the other side on the dyno. I'm gonna film on. I could, but if the door's open, the lighting coming in is gonna mess with the shot. It's gonna backlight. It's gonna look like poo poo.
You need to adjust your
That's
white
my- yeah.
balance.
This has nothing to do with white.
On a camera better.
Thanks. Everyone's a critic.
See, put the camera down. Pick this up.
So Fran will be leaving for World Cup shortly. Right, Matthew?
That's right.
When are you going down?
Friday morning.
Friday morning. I will be down Saturday. Angry Eric and I are gonna ride down together. That's gonna be an
Sean
interesting
too,
ride.
right? Sean too.
We'll see. I don't really.
No faith?
I don't have faith in him
Yeah, me
coming.
neither.
Yeah. We do have some cars over here, by the way. You might recognize this orange car. That is the supercharged car we had in the old shop. I was gonna hit the dyno, but had some issues with clutch. The remote bleeder that was on it, or is on it, failed and started leaking down. So this SS is here. Sean sent the axles out.
Yep.
So the axles were sent out on this. What, drive shaft shop there somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they got to measure them apparently.
Gotcha. And then that black car is the twin turbo car. Just doing some once-overs on it, checking over everything while it's here. Once we get this dyno up and operational, we can start doing some
Baselines.
yeah, what are we baseline?
I don't know. Whatever's first in.
Well, I know we still have to tune that.
Yeah, that has to be.
That went on the dyno
Two.
before, and we did pump gas, but we didn't do E, so.
Yeah.
I will say it made really good numbers on pump gas, on those tires too, which is impressive. We already did a baseline on Fran's Chevelle. If you didn't watch that video, go check it out. Go check it out right there. It's that one. Eric and Fran's at the same time. That was a good episode.
What did Eric's car put down on that?
247? Is that right? 242, 245, somewhere around there. Your Nova on the dyno.
I bet you could tell you if you had the video.
Damn.
True.
Yeah, you know there's this great thing called YouTube where you can click it, you can play it. It's right
Yeah, I
here.
asked him for the video like 300 times, and he won't send it.
I don't know why he needs it. It's on YouTube. You can watch it whenever you
Well, I
want.
just want the video of just my car. Like, I don't want to have to go in, scroll through, and see all that. and listen to you talk.
It's your favorite part. You're just mad because I made your dyno pull seem really long.
Now I'm just mad that you haven't given my video after over 6 months.
Has it been that long?
Wait, probably longer.
Yeah, I think it has, actually.
Yeah.
You know what, Eric? I will send you a Dropbox link to it this weekend.
Woo! This weekend.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I've heard this 37 times before. This weekend, I'll get it to you.
Now I'm going to go delete it permanently.
He's already said he has deleted it 25 times.
I think I have, actually. I don't know where it is anymore.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't.
Anything else, you could ask him where it is, and he'll be like, oh yeah, it's right in this folder.
That's true. I have a backup hard drive on the network with every season of every video, of every dyno.
Nice.
But not yours. Here, some parts for your shell. Those are adorable.
He got a shell for his spindles.
Damn. That's messed up. It was actually pretty funny though.
I don't even care.
I'll give him that one.
I said you got a shell for your spindles.
It's fine.
All right, Matthew, you run the air, and we will check back with you.
Playing yet, Drew?
I'm gonna square up the movable one, so I don't have to pick it
We'll
up.
do the time lapse
Square
of the
that off,
dyno
and
going together next episode.
stationary in
Okay.
place.